Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Nikto, a powerful open source web server scanner on Kali Linux. Remember, it's essential to have proper permissions before conducting any scans. To get started, update your system by running the following command: sudo apt-get update. Next, install Nikto if it's not already installed. Sudo apt-get install Nikto. Verify the installation by checking the Nikto version by using the H flag. To scan a website, use the following command. If you enjoy this type of content, smash that like button. Nikto will analyze the website and report any potential vulnerabilities. In this example, we can see that the server might be vulnerable for the shell shock weakness. It also exposes a robots file that can reveal files the server don't want the search engines to find or index. And the server seems to be outdated as well. You can save the scan results to the file using the -o option. If the website uses SSL, you can force Nikto to use SSL with the -SSL option as well. Now let's cover some advanced settings. Did you know that Nikto allows for scan tuning? With a -tuning parameter followed by a code, you can specify what type of issues you are looking for. For instance, X6 tells Nikto to look for out-of-bound and denial of service vulnerabilities. You can also use the -C all option. This will force Nikto to check all identifiable software on the server, increasing the scope of the scan. For advanced users, Nikto provides mutation techniques as well. The -mutate option followed by a number like 1, for instance, applies a specific mutation technique to find potential issues a normal scan might miss. This could include guessable credentials or check for methods like put. If you want your output in a different format, Nikto can do that too. The -format option allows you to specify the output format, like CSV for a comma-separated file. This can make the output easier to process in other tools. Finally, Nikto even allows for scans via a proxy server. The -use proxy option followed by a proxy address enables this. It can be quite useful for hiding the origin of the scan or for testing systems behind the proxy. Hope you enjoyed this introduction to Nikto, and make sure you check out my other videos. Until next time.